Yeah, that's the drone, as you can see.
It's coming out. This is an obstacle avoidance and line follower car. It follows the black lines and avoids the obstacles on the lines. Like now, it has sighted this block, so it doesn't move. When I move it, it moves. It has sighted the next one, so if I remove it, it moves. Plan goes forever. And when you make it noise, any kind of noise, like smart lights on, and when the whole place is quiet, smart lights on. Alarm clock. We've already programmed it just to save time. So first you press the alarm clock app, which is here. You press it, so it takes you to this screen now. So you can put it for any message you want. Let's say you want it's work time, so you type work time. Work time. So since the time is 11:37, we're going to make it 11:38, so that we won't waste too much time. So we write 11:38. So we now set the alarm. And it says alarm is going to be set for less than 1 minute from now. So now we need to wait.
Wow.
As you can see, it's making the sound.
We program the password to be PIN.
Alright.
And if you press the wrong code, the gate will not open. If you press the correct code, the gate will open.
Alright.
So press the wrong code. Let's see.
Press the wrong code. It's not opening. So press the right code. Let the gate open. Wow.
An elevator and a tissue dispenser. So this is how it works. As you can see, it's an ultrasonic sensor. And see, if I put my hand here, you can see tissue is coming out. While for the elevator, there is a A and B button here. If I press A, it goes up. If I press B, it goes down.
Okay, this is an intelligent
Hospital.
Alright. Okay, this it carries the clothes up.
I can see this is the spider. I can see the spider that is moving.
It's doing something.
Oh yes.